What's going on, Japan? Today we're going to be introducing a really sick bicycle setup. So my friend Alex has this Bombtrack. What's the model name for this?
Beyond 1.
Beyond 1. He says it's the only one in Japan, and I'm just going to let him explain. This is, as you can see, this is just a really beautiful, ideal setup here. Nice mountain bike tires, disc brakes, and just ideal rack locations, ideal bags.
So Bombtrack is a German company. They've only been in business 3 or 4 years. 2018 is their first time to export around the world. It took me 6-8 months to get this bike into Japan with a distributor.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was an ordeal. But yeah, from the basics, it's a SRAM 2x10 on the gearing, all SRAM components. Does really nice. The WTB wheels and tires, and then I've heavily modified it already. It's a steel frame, starts off about 12 kilograms, so not light, definitely not a road bike, but I use it as such.
Yeah, but the thing is bomb-proof. I guess that's why the name is Bombtrack.
Yeah, so, yeah, actually that's how I learned about it. Some guy rode from Germany to Iran on the first model.
Okay, so you wanted something that wasn't going to break.
Yeah.
Super durable.
Long distance, I don't really need speed.
Yeah.
But I've already modified it quite a bit with a rack, a front rack on the bars.
Yep.
So I can mount various GPSs and bike computers and lights.
Yeah, this is my first time seeing a rack like this up front, up close. It's really awesome.
Yeah.
It's just
Rack company's called Kaddy Rack.
Kaddy Rack.
Small company in the US.
It's some nice anodized metal too.
Yep.
And you got a bunch of stuff mounted. So you got a front bag here.
Yeah, the front bag is by a Canadian guy. And his company's Porcelain Rocket. All handmade, very limited supply. You're lucky to buy stuff. You just get on his website, and when you find it,
nice quick pouch on the side, and just roll up front here, so waterproof.
So
a nice bungee. That's really quick, easy access.
Yep.
That's nice.
So I mean, you could even this could be enough for an overnight.
Right, that alone.
You know, alone if you just want to camp out.
And you got some lights on here. You said this was a front camera and light?
Yeah, this is from an Australian company called Cycliq. So we've got a camera and a light.
And you're mounting a GPS computer on top of that?
Yep. I've got a Wahoo Element.
Yeah, those are popular now.
Yeah, black and white screen. I find it a lot easier than the color screen on a lot of other stuff.
Right. Then a normal GPS.
Got a Garmin camp hiking GPS. Basically, what I can't view on the bicycle computer, I can view on here. You know, campsites, parks, elevation data. And
these pouches, one's for a drink.
Yeah, well, they're anything.
Is this like an insulated, or like it keeps the
this one's
temperature?
Insulated. This one's, these 3 bags are by the same American company, can't even pronounce it.
Oveja Negra?
Yeah, it means black sheep.
Okay.
Translates to black sheep, but, you know, fuel bag, top tube bag. This will hold one of the large Nalogen bottles.
Oh yeah, I got one of those.
Yep.
The big mouth.
The big mouth, exactly.
Oh wow, that'll fit in there?
Yep, that'll fit in there, definitely.
Wow.
Oh, easily.
That's really nice for the hot days here.
And then this is another American company called Bedrock. It's a little bit different. Their version's a little bit different.
Is that also a drink holder?
Yeah, you can put any. It's the same thing with cameras. You know, I've got a jacket in there.
That's actually perfect for the camera I'm using. I need a camera holder on my handlebars.
It's deep.
Okay.
It's deep.
I'm gonna check that out.
Bedrock. It's completely different than what other people offer.
It's like Flintstones. Bedrock.
Very nice. I've got a red shift suspension stem. So this actually flexes.
Oh wow.
It's really nice for, you know, being off-road.
Right.
Going down, let's see.
So we've got the top tube bar. These are just pretty standard bags.
These are standard, whatever you want to use them. I've built a first aid kit in here.
Okay, that's smart.
I've got all my fuel, you know, gels and snack bars and stuff like that I can get to easily. My wallet.
This this seat post is pretty intense.
Yeah, Cane Creek, they make headsets, and then also this suspension seat post.
Yeah.
This is their short travel version. They make a long travel version that actually has like a little shock in it.
Okay.
But this is enough.
Yeah.
Silka tool bag.
Yep.
Under the seat.
Then you got a pretty
tubeless rack.
Yep.
German company.
That seems to be a pretty minimal rack.
Yep. And then you can mount your Ortlibs on here.
Then you had your bike stand.
Yeah, custom made bike stand. And this is an Orbis or an Abus bike lock.
And then your pump.
Makes it Lezyne. Bike pump. And then another camera.
Yep.
And lights.
Yep, you gotta have your lights in Japan. And this thing's super clean too.
Surprisingly. I hate maintenance.
And then you got a double drinker.
Yeah, so the way there's a company called
that doesn't mess with your pedaling at all?
Not at all. There's a company called Wolf Tooth that makes the adapter. It's kind of hard to see, but you can split it.
Yeah.
They also make gears.
Very nice.
Cranks.
All right. Yeah, let's
edit
leave it at there.
crap all the way.
All right. Well, thanks for sharing your setup with us today. Really jealous. Hope to get a setup like this myself one day.
Thanks for the invite.
Yeah, and good ride today. Hopefully we'll ride again soon.
Take care.
All right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed checking out his bicycle. Like I mentioned, I'm incredibly jealous. I really want just a setup like that I can go on these awesome adventures in the deep countryside in Japan. I still mostly just got my road bike that we're using, but this is the dream setup. So hopefully one day I'll get something like this. If you like videos like this, we can do more stuff like this, but let us know in the comments. Let us know what you like to see, and we'll see you next time here in our next cycling vlog around Japan. As always, thanks for watching, and see you next time here on To A Cruise. I do not think she's enjoying this hill. Nobody wa do?